Hey, what's going on, guys? JH, part 2 of playing Clash of Clans with Owen, Ep 4, or episode 4. And yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go get a cup of water. So actually, I'm just gonna get it from the sink. That's a better idea. Now that's all done. So, guys, this is. Should we just use gems? 4 gems. Owen, should we use 4 gems? We have 248 gems. Should we use 4 gems in that?
To do what?
To upgrade my barracks to level 2. We'll just do the time. Okay, done.
Does it take? How long left?
Well, it was 12 minutes.
Okay, then you are.
I already gemmed it.
Oh, you already did?
Mhm.
Well, I was going to say if you really want to, then yep. But you already did it.
I know, guys, this is supposed to be a no gem series, but it's like no gemming the town hall, or like actual gemming, like for the loot. But yeah, we're only like gemming the time, and we're gemming for builders.
Which is the time?
No, like buying builders.
That's 500 gems for for your first builder.
No, for
and my
your
balloon is slowly flying across.
no for your third builder.
Well, yeah. But
Builders are the most important thing probably in the games.
Well, if you only had builders, then what would it call? Build your base and not attack or anything?
But that would be boring.
Build a base. Instead of Clash of Clans, build a base. I should not sing probably.
Yeah, because you're very bad. Yeah.
Yay.
Should I log on my different account on my Android tablet and just give you some things? Or nah? Yes or nah? Well, I'm already doing it, so sorry.
Your expo has long range.
I know, it's huge.
Did you just hear that?
No.
Okay, good, because you didn't want to know what I just did.
You farted?
No, I touched your barbarian king and made him go, wah!
Well, I did it too.
No, I love doing that.
Okay, so do you want what true?
Don't do a town hall sniping base anymore because remember the update? Your town hall holds a lot of loot.
I know. But
But what?
I don't know.
Yay, thanks for those level 4 balloons.
No prob. I used 7 gems to do it.
Wow. Hey, at least you're
Now I
not
only have 2 gems. Oh, and for my birthday, please give me iTunes.
Yeah, so you can get gems.
Well, actually, the gems are gonna probably be
What?
for.
Well, I didn't have my iPad. But I'm going.
This is funny. I'm gonna go attack. Oh, and you're just like, but I'm doing something.
But I'm doing something.
Mommy, I'm doing something, so I don't want to. I don't want to hang out with you people.
I have 2 Christmas trees. I want to go down to a low league when I get a barb king, so then everybody will think, so then all the really bad people will think I'm hacking.
Or you can get the, remember that time I was in really low league and I got the achievement?
Oh, right, where you win a bunch of defenses.
Yeah.
And then also where you win a bunch of attacks, you could also get that.
Yeah. Don't wait, call it.
Oh no, it's Po, the dancing panda from Kung Fu Panda.
Wait, there's a dancing panda in Kung Fu Panda. Boom.
Yeah, Po, he's a dancing panda.
Your mom thinks I'm not a real person, apparently.
Well, I'm talking to a iPad right now, so yeah. And you heard everything she said.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I wonder what the people are going to think.
They don't really care.
How do you get the app, though? Like,
You will see on my video.
okay, I'll have to wait then. I'll wait.
But my video will be my video will be soon. It'll be today. I'll post it today, okay?
What?
I'll post
You're
it.
breaking up. It's not that I'm losing you, it's just you act like this.
Uh-oh. Oh,
You act like
gosh.
this.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
Not anymore.
So guys, I'm probably gonna use gems. So if my friend gets me iTunes for my birthday, then I will use gems, but not for the town hall, just for time. I'll get the legitimacy, let me, and just do the time, so you guys don't have to wait, just like this mortar. That's going to take 6 hours and 40 minutes. But that takes like 2 minutes in normal Clash Clans. If you're really high, like, just like this base. That, like the first 3 videos that I made were on this base. Oh yeah, and guys, look at the walls. There's only 18 walls left. And I'm level 5. They're almost all level 6. Yay! 888. Don't wait. Call 8.
Sorry, but my builder's gonna die because he's touching mushrooms. Poisonous mushrooms.
How much gems do you have?
141. And before I had 96.
See, I told you can get a bunch of gems. You're gonna get a bunch of gems from that.
Yay, I'm sweeping up my base.
You still have a lot to go.
I know. You found a gem? Rude. You can't gem up. Wait. If you try to gem up something after it's done, like, if it says, like, you need, like, how much gems, and then you hit it after it's done, nothing will happen.
I'm gonna try that.
It's really funny. Do that with, like, an obstacle that you're not gonna want.
Oh, I have to wait because of my gold sword. Yeah, I'm just gonna use gems on my gold storage because... Why do I keep using gems? I'm not happy about that.
storage take? How long will your gold storage take?
Well, I already gemmed it, so. I'm
How long
sorry.
would it have taken?
Like 19 minutes.
Oh, try it now.
I already did.
Does it works, right?
Yeah, it just does nothing. It just went
And
kaplooey.
you don't lose any gems.
Yeah, it went kaplooey.
My base is looking fine. It's finally not covered in dead trees.
Oh, yeah.
I got rid of all the dead trees first because they are ugly.
I know, they're so ugly.
I'm more fine with the alive stuff.
Like those trees, those cool Christmassy trees kind of things.
Yeah.
Ding!
I like to leave the things that won't really do anything, that won't do any harm to me, like
Oh, yeah.
take up any space, like on the outside.
Oh, and go to my Cane of the West base. Please.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, now look at the spell factory on the top right corner of my base.
The dark spell factory?
The
oh,
normal.
No, that's on the other side. Yeah, I see it.
So guess what level is it?
4.
So what spells do I have?
Okay, let's see. You have the lightning spell, the heal spell, the rage spell, and the jump spell.
And the freeze spell.
Oh,
Yeah, that's the new update. That's the new update that they give you jump and freeze. So yeah.
I just went to my spell factory and started reading it.
Yeah, I know.
So there's no more level 5?
Well, there is a level 5, but it just gives you like an extra room.
An extra what?
Room
Oh, spell
for spells. So, do you think we should end off part 2 and then I'll make the tutorial on how to record your screen, and I'll make a tutorial on how to make a YouTube channel?
Sure. Well, I know how to make a YouTube channel. I just need my own email.
I can make you one if you
Well, I want
want.
to make my own.
You
Then
need to.
we can like both use it, but I'll just make one myself.
You need to go. You need to make a Gmail.
I know. I want to do that.
Then do it.
Well, I'm going to, but okay. Bye.
Wait. I have to tell you one thing.
What?
You don't need to put in the phone number or the the old email.
Yeah, I know. I just type in my contact that I have for you. Someone.
Just follow the steps.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Say wait.